All right, so I don't know if you guys have been paying attention to what's been going on online in the tech industry. There is a new AI app that's coming out of China that has completely disrupted the AI market. And when I say the AI market, I mean all type of crypto stocks, AI developers. You got Nvidia that then fell in the stock market very hard. You have OpenAI that's having a lot of issues, and a lot of people in different countries are panicking due to the fact that China has released this AI model and it's costing them like 50 times less than what it costs to develop like AI and start to train that AI system. So what I want to do today is I want to show you how you can start making money using this new app called DeepSeek. Everybody's talking about it, and I'm going to show you how to make daily income using this AI platform. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to just go ahead and Google deepseek.com, and that is going to bring you to the platform. And if you ever use OpenAI or ChatGPT, this is very similar the way that it actually functions and the way that it looks, but this is supposed to be 10 times more aggressive. So I'm going to show you guys how you can start making some money using this DeepSeek platform. And one thing you want to take notice to is right now, DeepSeek is totally free. Everything is open source. So it's a platform that other developers can also build on top of, which is going to be a complete game changer for AI development. We don't know if in the future, if this is going to start costing money. So you guys better jump on it now and take advantage of it while it's 100% free. So once you create your account on DeepSeek, first thing you want to do is you just want to click on Start Now. And then that's going to bring you to the interface very similar to the way ChatGPT looks. So if you ever use that, it's going to be very simple for you to go ahead and get started with this. So first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to enter this prompt. I want to start a side hustle from home with low startup costs, global reach, and potential to make over $110,000. Can you suggest 10 profitable ideas? And then you want to make sure that you have the DeepThink on right here. So that's going to have the AI actually dig a little bit deeper and come up with better answers for you. And as you see, DeepThink is starting to generate its answer right here. It's showing you exactly how it's starting to develop its answer, and it's going to spit out the perfect solution for you right here with this prompt. And just after a few minutes, there you go. You have everything right here laid out in front of you. So what you want to do is just go down the list here and look for something that attracts you that you think you can actually make some money on. Now, what really attracted me on this is actually creating digital products. And that is the best way to make money online. If you have knowledge of something and you can actually put it into like a course or an ebook, that is going to be a really big money maker for you. So we're going to go ahead and just look through here, and I'm going to look for some digital products, and I'm going to show you guys how to use AI to create your own digital product that you can sell online. So now that I know that I want to sell digital products, I'm going to use DeepThink to come up with some niches that I can focus on to create me a digital product that I can start to market and make some money online. So I'm going to use this prompt here. What are the top 10 profitable niches for selling digital products? And then just like that, DeepSeek is going to go ahead and give me some different niches that I can actually start to use to create my digital product. So you're just going to go through here and you're going to find one that really interests you. And then I'm going to show you how to create the digital product using all AI technology. So for this example, I want to use health and wellness. This is something that is highly researched online. A lot of people these days are trying to take care of themselves, and health and wellness is always going to be a high selling niche. So I'm going to go ahead and use health and wellness for this example. So now that we have our niche that we want to focus on, we're going to use other AI tools to help us create this content. So it's going to be very easy to create this content with the power of AI. So we're going to use this platform called gamma.app. So go ahead and Google gamma.app, and then that's going to go ahead and bring you over to their website. Very simple for you to use this tool. This is going to be a game changer for anybody looking to create digital products online. So now that you've created your account, we're going to use the information that we've generated using DeepSeek in order to create this content, all with the power of AI. So I have my niche, and I want to go ahead and create a prompt that I can use with Gamma, so that way I can start to create my online course. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and paste this prompt into DeepSeek, and it's going to tell it, I want to make a digital presentation that's going to be sold as a course using an AI tool called gamma.app. And I'm gonna ask DeepSeek to give it a brief description that I'll paste into Gamma for it to make a course on nutrition and whole foods, plant-based diets, superfoods, and holistic nutrition, meal planning for optimal health and detoxification. So once I go ahead and paste this in there, so now that I have my course description, and I'm gonna generate from a one-line prompt in a few seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste that on into Gamma. I'm gonna switch this to 10 cards, and then I'm just gonna click on Generate Outline. Now Gamma's gonna go ahead and create an outline for this course. Now I could go back to DeepSeek and then actually use the course outline and modules that they came up with, but for this example, I just wanna keep this short and sweet to show you how to do this. I'm gonna use the outline that they came up on Gamma. I'm gonna scroll down to the bottom. I'm gonna look for the different themes that they have. I like mine to be in black, so I'm gonna click on the Onyx type. And then down here, it's gonna ask me, how do I want my cards to look? Do I want them brief? Do I want them medium? Or do I want them very detailed? And then they have AI image sources right here that you can choose. You can also have the stock photo options. And then they have a couple different selections that you can choose from. But for this example, we're just gonna keep everything very simple. And I'm gonna leave this on medium. And then next thing I'm gonna do is click on Generate. And as you see, Gamma is going to work. It's creating this course outline, everything laid out beautifully, so that way you can create an online digital product in just a few minutes using the power of AI. And just look at this, a complete online presentation that you can start using for a course. Now, if you really want to take this to the next level, you can use another AI platform like HeyGen to go ahead and create your own AI spokesperson. If you're a person who doesn't like to get on camera, you can use a platform like this to come up with your own AI spokesperson, and you can incorporate that into the presentation that you created on Gamma. Or you can use a text-to-speech platform like 11 Labs, so that way you can put audio over top of the course content that we created on Gamma as well. These are just some other AI tools to take your course to the next level. Now, you can always do this on your own if you're not shy about getting on camera. That is always going to be the best way, but these are just some useful tools using the power of AI to create your online content within a few minutes. So now that we have our presentation put together, we can go ahead and create a video around the content that we created on Gamma, so that way we can turn this into a course. Very simple. You have everything laid out for you now. So the next part of this, once we go ahead and develop the video using nothing but AI, we can go ahead and start to sell this on different platforms where people sell courses to start making money online. Now, Udemy is a really great platform for anybody who creates courses and you're looking to target a large audience. Udemy has millions of subscribers, so you create your content, you can put it on here and sell this digital content to other users. Another platform you can use, since I've actually picked the health niche, you can use Sophia Health, where you can create your course content and you can sell this course content right on their platform as well. Another platform is going to be Thinkific. This is going to be a great platform for you to start selling your course content on. It's built for educators who want to sell course content online. And then of course you have Teachable as well. This is another platform very similar to Udemy where you can sell course content. And then because of my niche, you can actually go to Practice Better. This is going to be another platform where you can sell content that is going to be built around the niche that I selected. So some of these platforms is going to be great because I picked like a health and wellness, but the other platforms like Teachable, you can come up with any type of content and sell digital courses on those platforms. All right, so there you go. A very simple way for you to start using DeepSeek to start making money online. You can use the power of AI to create course content. Very simple. You don't even have to put your face on camera. You can do voiceovers using nothing but AI. You can use Gamma to go ahead and create the actual outline and the presentation and just put it all together and start making money. The first thing that you need to do is to get started. The more you sit back and think about it, the longer it's going to take for you to start generating money online. Of course, there's going to be a lot more that's going to go into this. I just wanted to get you guys started, show you exactly how you can do this, so that way you can jump into it and start to generate content. And that's gonna be the most important thing, is getting started. So if you guys found this video helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. I got tons of content like this coming up showing you guys how to make money online. I wanna see everybody who subscribed to this channel be profitable for this year in 2025. I will see you guys on the next one.